Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about two main categories of verbs, that is transitives and intransitive verbs. In case if you are confused about the correct use of verb, when does it take an object and when it does not, make sure to watch this video till the end. By the end of this video, you'll be clear with the concepts and the correct usage of verb. So let's start. So basically, we have two types of verb. The one is two verbs are divided into two main categories, that is transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So what are transitive verbs? Let me explain it in a very simple language. That transitive verb always take a direct object. Alright, let's explore it through the example. I threw dash. What did I throw? The ball. Yes. So the ball is the direct object. And here the verb threw is transitive verb. Why is it a transitive verb? Okay. Now let's imagine the sentence I threw. Is it giving us a complete sense? No, obviously not. The sentence is not giving us a complete sense without the object, that is the ball. It always needs a direct object to complete its sense, its meaning. Let me repeat the example once again. I threw the ball. In this sentence, I is the subject, threw is the verb, and the ball is the object. So, what kind of verb is threw? Is it a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Yes, it is transitive verb. Why is it a transitive verb? Because it cannot complete its sense without the direct object. And what is the direct object here? It is the ball. Let's explore more. I'm going to give you another example. I bought dash. Alright, what did I buy? Is it giving me a complete sense or is it giving you a complete sense? I bought what? Do you think that in any case this sentence is a complete sentence? No, obviously not. Because here the verb bought is a transitive verb, and in order to give a complete sense, it should always take an object, a direct object. But here in this example, I bought dash. It is not giving us a complete sense. We cannot call it, we cannot say that this is a complete sentence. Alright, so this was the first hint to guess either the verb is a transitive or intransitive. There's another hint in case if you want to know that a particular verb is a transitive or intransitive, you just have to apply the same formula, that just check either it can give a complete sense without object or with object or without object. Alright. The second hint to find out either the verb is transitive or intransitive is just convert it into its passive voice. For example, the ball was thrown by me. In this sentence, the verb we have is thrown, and we have converted it into passive voice, and we have successfully completed it in passive voice. That means the verb is transitive. अगर ये verb हमारे पास transitive ना होता तो we could not be able to complete it into passive voice. But we have converted the sentence in passive voice, और ये passive voice में जाने के बाद भी हमें grammatically और semantically sense दे रहा है. That means it is a transitive verb. So what do we have to find out either a verb is transitive or intransitive? Firstly, we just have to see if it carry a direct object or not, and secondly, क्या ये passive में convert होता है या नहीं. Alright, so let me give few example of transitive verbs: throw, buy, write, paint, eat. Now you can apply the same rule, the same formula to these verbs in case if you want to know that कि ये वाकई में transitive verbs हैं. For example, हम throw का एक sentence बनाते हैं. First verb is throw, isn't it? I throw. I throw what? It is not giving me a complete sense. I throw the ball. See, now it is giving me a complete sense with a direct object. She bought. What did she buy? She bought a bag. She bought a car. Now see, this is giving us a complete sense. Right. Right हमारे पास एक verb है. Alright, now ये transitive है या intransitive है? Although we know that this is a transitive verb, but let's find it out. She writes. She writes what? हमारे पास there is a confusion. What did she write? She writes an article. Now it is giving us a complete sense. This was the rule number 1. Now let's come to the second hint to find it out, that either it is a transitive or intransitive, and that is, let's try to convert it into passive. I throw the ball. The ball was thrown by me. See, ये verb अपने passives में भी convert हो रहा है. That is another hint to know that this is a transitive verb. Let's take verb eat. We all know that eat is a verb. Let's convert it into passive voice. I eat an apple. The apple was eaten by me. हम इस verb को passive में convert कर सकते हैं. That means it is a transitive verb. Alright. Let's discuss intransitive verbs. Now, these are exactly the opposite of transitive verbs. They do not take a direct object with them. इनको अपनी sense complete करने के लिए, to give a complete sense, they do not need a direct object. For example, I slept. I slept. Is it giving us a complete sense? Yes, of course, it is giving us a complete sense. But the question is, it doesn't carry a direct object with it, but still it is giving us a sense independently. Why? Because it is intransitive verb, or intransitive verb होने के लिए it should give us a complete sense even without carrying an object. They do not carry a direct object to complete their meaning. Let's explore it through another example. I laughed. You laughed. She laughed. All of these sentences are giving us a complete sense. Laugh is a verb, isn't it? Now I laughed, she laughed. This is a sentence that is giving us a complete sense. Because laugh एक ऐसा verb है जिसको अपनी sense complete करने के लिए किसी object की जरूरत नहीं है. In case of transitive verbs, they do need an object, they do need a direct object to convey the complete meaning. But here in this case of intransitive verb, they do not need an object. अच्छा जी, the next hint or the next thing to find out that either the verb is transitive or intransitive is they cannot be converted into passive voice. I have briefly explained this, that the transitive verbs can be converted into passive voice, लेकिन जो हमारे पास intransitive verb होते हैं वो हमारे पास passive voice में convert नहीं होते. How they cannot be converted into passive voice? Let's find it out. First of all, हम थोड़ी सी examples discuss करते हैं. Example of intransitive verbs are sleep, laugh, cry, smile, die. अच्छा जी. अब हम सबसे पहले sleep की example discuss करते हैं. For example, sleep is a verb, isn't it? Yes, it is a verb. Now what you have to do is make a sentence of sleep in your mind. Just imagine a sentence. She always sleep early in the morning. Or make a sentence of laugh. She laugh. Yes, she laughed. Is it a complete sentence? Yes, it is a complete sentence. The girl cried. The girl cried. It is also a complete sentence. अब आप इस sentence में मुझे बताएं कि the girl cried. इसमें हमारे पास where is the object? I smile. She smiles. This is giving us a complete sense. लेकिन where is the object? Although there should be an object in a sentence to give a complete meaning, but हम अपनी बात से contradict कर रहे हैं कि इन sentences में हमें object की जरूरत नहीं होती, because they are intransitive verbs and they do not carry an object. Die. She died. She died yesterday. She died last year. In these examples, again we do not have a direct object, but still the sentence is giving us a complete sense. Why? Because they are intransitive verbs. I hope I am clear with it. Now let's move to the next hint. In case if you want to know that either the verb is transitive or intransitive, and that is through either they can be converted into passives or not. Sleep. For example, हम इसमें die की example ले लेते हैं. She died last year. Can we convert the sentence into passive? Please please give it a try. Of course not. You cannot convert the intransitive verbs into passives. They cannot be converted into passive voice. So that's how we have two ways to recognize about a verb. Either they are a transitive verb or either they are intransitive verb. Alright, so here's another case that is worth important to discuss. Some verbs can be both transitives and intransitives depending on the context. Is it clear to you? जैसा कि हमने कहा कि we have a categories of verb, we have a clear-cut distinction that either the verb is transitive or either the verb is intransitive. But here in this case, some verbs act as transitives and intransitive, both. On what basis? Depending on the context. यानी कि हमारे पास कुछ situations ऐसी होती हैं जिसमें हमारे पास जो verb होता है वो transitive भी act करता है और intransitive भी act करता है. In some situation it acts as transitive and in some situations it acts as intransitive. For example, ran. Run इसकी past form हमारे पास ran. It is a verb and we all know that. अब ran. Can you guess it? Is it a transitive verb or an intransitive verb? Let's make sentence of this verb and find it out that either it is a transitive or intransitive. He runs very fast. Alright. Next sentence is I ran. अब देखिए first case में I ran. This is intransitive. Why? Because it has no object. But still it is giving us a complete sense. We can call it a sentence. In the next example, I ran the marathon. In this example, we have an object. It is acting as a transitive verb. So two contexts हमारे पास given है, and in both these contexts, same verb is acting as intransitive, and in the other situation, it is acting as transitive.